welcome back to my channel. Today we're going over the Cosmos variety. We've got Cosmos Sonata and Cosmos Apollo in front of here. They come in different range of colours. The Cosmos Apollo is a white love song. You've got very light look pink there, and the Cosmos Sonata are a violet pink just there, so slightly darker variety. The flower is good for sunny areas in the garden, best in borders, but you can put them in pots. I tend to put them next to dahlias, zinnias and marigolds, but you can put them wherever you like. The Cosmos series is good for any poor to rich soils. You can put them anywhere and they're super easy to grow. Cosmos are actually non-toxic to both humans and pets, meaning your pets can enjoy these sort of plants too. With the Cosmos, when it comes to the end of its blooming period, the leaves do start to fall off, but will keep their original colour, allowing your beds and borders to look colourful throughout the year. These flowers are not scented to note. They are just for their appearance only, so that's something to note if you are planning on planting them. They are also annual flowers, so if you're looking for an annual border, these are your best bet. Otherwise, I'd look elsewhere. Luckily for these Cosmos, they offer a subtle and gentle touch, both with their leaves in appearance and with their petals on their flowers, so you can mix and match them anywhere you like. So, you know, you can go a little bit wild and get a whole bed of colour just from one plant. These Cosmos grow quite tall. These are about 60 centimetres high. Other varieties can grow up to 3 metres tall, so think about that when you do either purchase these or grow them from seed. They are best at the back of your borders because obviously they're growing taller, and with a range of flowers, that's the best bet for you. Another good point about the Cosmos Sonata and the Apollo series is they are the best thing for bees. If you're to attract loads of bees and butterflies into your garden, plant these and you'll soon see the wildlife creeping. If we just take a look at this Cosmos here, it's a Cosmos Sonata. Look at the leaves. Leaves are unique in their own sort of way, nice, feathery, soft, and adds to the appearance of your garden as well as the flowers. The root structure on these Cosmos are quite good. I've grown them from seed, then moved them up into bigger and bigger pots. As you can see, the roots have gained quite well. They're about ready to go in the ground. These are, as you can see, they're quite tall and quite sturdy. They're ready to go. If you have got some, like around this corner just here, where the root structures getting there but the stem's not that great, or they're bifurcating just like that, you're going to get less and less flowers on it, and they will probably grow out a lot later than the rest of the plants. So something to look out for if you see that sort of thing happening. Bifurcating, when the plant splits off into two, either at the stem or at the bottom. I think that might just be two plants just there, but yeah. Cosmos take about 6 to 8 weeks to grow. This can be longer if you are growing them outside. Obviously you have to grow them inside from January, February onwards, but can be planted outside in March or April time. The good thing about these is I've grown them in my own polytunnel, as you can see around me. This speeds up the process a lot quicker. This is the reason why they are flowering and have been flowering for the past few weeks. Most of the time you'll get them like these where I've put them outside. They're not quite blooming just yet. As you can see, they're quite flat, the bud is, whereas I have got some around this corner just here. Don't know if you can see that, just these here that are quite full and ready to go. They're going to they'll come out in about 3 to 5 days, I'd say, something like that. So something to note if you are planting outside. If you do have a greenhouse, that's your best bet. If not, just put it in a bag or something like that, something under cover, something that will allow the sun to get in, and yeah, it's quite warm inside and that sort of thing. Keeping outside, you're more than welcome to, but obviously you're going to have it's going to take longer for the bud to flower. Here's a quick gardening tip for all of the gardeners out there, or if you want to become a gardener, there's a few guys as well. Just starting off planting small and doing little bits of gardening at a time is the way to start. Don't go all bigging out straight into the deep end with tasks and growing a range of flowers. I mean, you can do, it's quite adventurous and definitely jumping in at the deep end, but starting small is your way to go. If you do start small, then you know you can grow your knowledge as you go, whereas if you jump straight into the deep end, you'll get confused about what's what grows when, and most likely some of the plants will die. This can also ruin your image of gardening. Gardening is supposed to be fun, gets you out the house, you know. You can see your garden come to life over the summer months, if you're growing shrubs, that sort of thing, over the winter months, and obviously cutting your lawn is quite enjoyable as well. Gets you out the house, like I say. Yeah, the best bet is starting small. So yeah, grow small, watch them grow up successfully, and in the end I'm just encouraging more and more young people, people my age, to take up gardening and give it that first shot. Thanks for visiting, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.